Welcome to Kayukido.
Today we discuss how to clean Halo Bassinest step-by-step guide. Are you looking for a step-by-step guide on how to clean Halo Bassinest? Then you are in the right place since we got you covered. That is because this piece shall discuss how to wash Halo Bassinest. Cleaning a Halo bassinet can be an absolute nightmare if you do not know the right tips. Always remember that bassinets vary in different aspects and this guide will help clean different bassinests. That is because you may end up damaging your bassinet. Before cleaning the bassinet, start by disassembling it in the right way. That will help you avoid any damage and keep the bassinet in perfect working condition. Without further ado, let us get started. Why do you need to keep your bassinet clean? Knowing the proper Halo Bassinest cleaning procedure is a beneficial thing. That is because a clean bassinet is a safe bed for your child. Remember that your child's health will be hugely determined by the cleanliness of the bassinet you are using. Also, a clean bassinet will give your child a good night's sleep. That is because a clean bassinet will keep your child's bedding and linens fresh. Therefore, always keep your bassinet clean for optimal health for your child. When to clean your Halo Bassinest? There is no specific time that you should clean your Halo Bassinest. You need to clean your bassinet anytime you see any stains or smell coming from the bassinet. That is because those will affect the health of your child. Although many people recommend washing the bassinet linens once or twice per week, you can wash as frequently as you need if you notice some specks of dirt. Many manufacturers recommend deep cleaning about once per month where you reassemble the bassinet and clean every part, including the invisible dirt particles. Step-by-step guide to disassembling and how to clean Halo Bassinest. Step 1. Disassemble the bassinet. The first thing you need to do is to disassemble the bassinet. You need to take off the mattress and the mattress cover. You need to remove the bassinet frame, and then you need to remove the mattress and mattress cover. To disassemble the bassinet, you need to follow the following steps. Unscrew the 6 screws halfway to detach the bassinet from the stand. Remove the 2 side panels located on the opposite side of the bassinet. Using a screwdriver, push the 2 metallic pieces to allow you to disassemble the bassinet. Note: always be gentle when disassembling the part to avoid causing any damage to the bassinet. After disassembling the bassinet, you need to get the right items to start cleaning. Items required: suitable cleaning detergent, warm water, washing machine, optional, vacuum cleaner. Step 2. Start by washing the bassinet mattress. Method 1. Start by washing the bassinet mattress. That is because a clean mattress will help you get rid of the smell of the bassinet. To clean the mattress, you need to use a soft piece of cloth. Dip the fabric in warm water containing the suitable detergent and wipe any stains on the mattress. Method 2. Using a vacuum cleaner, remove the dirt and dust particles trapped inside the mattress. That is because you can't clean the bassinet mattress effectively without removing the dust particles. Step 3. Wash the bassinet mattress cover. Start by washing the bassinet mattress cover. That is because a clean mattress cover will keep the bassinet mattress fresh and clean. To clean the mattress cover, you need to use a soft cloth and dip it in warm water. Step 4. Wash the bassinet frame. Start by washing the bassinet frame. That is because a clean bassinet frame will help you keep your bassinet fresh and clean. Step 5. Clean the Halo Bassinest mesh. Using a soft piece of cloth dipped in the water solution and a suitable washing detergent, wipe the dirt particles trapped on the bassinet mesh until you see the mesh looks clean. Step 6. Clean the bassinet linens. When washing bassinet linens, you can wash them using a machine or hand wash them. Method 1. Hand washing the linens. Start by washing the bassinet linens. That is because clean bassinet linens will keep the bassinet fresh and clean. Method 2. Machine washing. 1. Start by filling the machine with warm water. 2. Next, add the suitable washing detergent and select the washing cycle. 3. Put the bassinet linens inside the machine. 4. Press the machine's button to activate the machine. 5. Remove the bassinet linens from the machine. When the machine finishes its work, open it and take out the bassinet linens. Ways to clean different stains in bassinet. There are various approaches to clean different stains in bassinet. You can use any of these methods depending on the kind of stains in your bassinet. The following are some of the different ways to clean stains in bassinet. They include: 1. How to remove food stains. Start by soaking the sheet or linen using a suitable detergent. The soaking duration should not be less than 5 minutes to ensure thorough stain removal. After soaking, wash the sheet, and, if the stains persist, use vinegar and soak the sheet for another 15 minutes. After that, rinse the bassinet in warm water and dry it using a towel. 2. How to remove milk stains. Start by soaking the sheet or linen using a suitable baby-friendly powdered detergent. The soaking duration should not be less than 5 minutes to ensure thorough stain removal. After soaking, wash the sheet. Rinse the bassinet in cold water before drying it. 3. Poop and pea stains. The poo and pea stains are the other common stains in bassinet linens. To wash those stains, you need to start soaking the linens using a powdered detergent. The duration of soaking will depend on the kind of stain you have. If the stain is more than a few days old, soak the bassinet for more than 30 minutes. The longer you soak the bassinet, the better it will clean the bassinet. After soaking, wash the bassinet in warm water. Rinse the bassinet in cold water before drying it. 4. Removing urine stains. Besides cleaning the bassinet, you can also remove the urine stains from bassinet linens. To remove the urine stains, you need to start by soaking the bassinet linens in a solution of ammonia and water. The soaking duration should not be less than 10 minutes. After soaking, wash the bassinet in warm water and rinse the bassinet in cold water before drying it. 5. How to remove oil and cream stains. Although oil and cream stains are not common, they are still among the most common stains in bassinet linens. To remove oil and cream stains, you need to start by soaking the bassinet linens in a solution of warm water and vinegar. After soaking, wash in fresh water and dry the linens. Conclusion: if you want to keep your bassinet clean and fresh, you need to take the time to clean it regularly. Learning the right tips discussed above on how to clean halo bassinet will make your work easier. To clean your bassinet effectively, you need to follow a cleaning routine that suits your bassinet. You can either use a machine or do it by hand. It is recommended to avoid bleaching products when cleaning the bassinet accessories such as a net to prevent fading and discoloration. We recommend that Halo Bassinest is the best baby bassinet for your baby.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.